In this video, we'll talk about trading strategies, and I'll introduce the Wall Street memes WSM pre-sale to you as well. So without further ado, let's get started with the topic. First, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that if you want to check out this pre-sale yourself, if you want to check out their social media links, which they have a lot of, but also if you want to just go to the pre-sale, then all of the links will be down in the description. So definitely check that out if you're interested in that. But for now, let's actually dive into the video. So in this video, we'll talk about the WSM pre-sale. That's the name of the meme coin created by Wall Street Memes. And that is what we'll be talking about. Right now, you can just very easily purchase this on the website. So before we dive into what the project is and what Wall Street Memes is, if you don't know them already, because they have quite a very big Twitter account. First, let's talk about how to purchase this pre-sale. So basically how it works is that, as you can see right now, you have different stages in which you can buy the WSM token. And right now you can buy it for 2.8 cents. If you look up, and you can also find that via the links down in the description, you can also find that there are over 30 stages in which you can buy it. Right now we're currently in stage number 11, so you can buy it at $0.028. While at the very last, at stage number 30, you can buy it for 0.0337. So the price actually increases the later you buy it. So the earlier you buy it, you can actually buy it at a cheaper price before it gets listed, probably somewhere next month or the month afterwards. But if you actually want to purchase it, you can do it via two ways, via the Ethereum blockchain or the BNB smart chain. And you can do it with USDT as well. So Ethereum, BNB or USDT, or even card right now. So you can actually purchase it with cards. If you click that, you just have to connect your wallet and then say, I don't have a wallet. So if you want to do that, you can just click that and pay with card as well. But most people will probably buy it with Ethereum or USDT. If you want to buy it with BNB or with USDT over the BNB smart chain, then you just click buy BNB right here and you can purchase it. You just have to connect your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet or whatever wallet via Wallet Connect. And then you can actually purchase it. And then it will show it right here at your purchased WSM. You'll actually be able to claim the tokens once the pre-sale is over. But now let's actually talk a little bit more about the pre-sale itself. So like I said earlier, this is the meme coin, the pre-sale launched by the Wall Street Memes team. The Wall Street Memes Twitter account is a huge meme page and just Twitter account in general with over 225,000 followers. And they have similar accounts as well, totaling almost 1 million followers in total. So they have a huge community that they can drag into this pre-sale, and which they are also doing. They started May the 27th and now in 1.5 weeks, they've actually raised over $5.6 million already. A lot of people buying into this pre-sale. There's a lot of hype around it as well. So like I said, if you want to purchase it or if you want to know more about the project, it is 100% a meme coin. But if you want to check that out, then you can do so via the links down in the description. Now, apart from short-term potential, they are also trying to create a huge community around this token. So right now they are in phase number 2. As you can see there, they're working on the token launch, which is right now. They're also working on certain token listings. There, for example, you can probably trade it on the decentralized exchange once the pre-sale is over. But apart from that, they're also looking for some more exchange listings, so centralized exchange listings. And apart from that, an awareness campaign that is going on right now and more partnerships with creators and your favorite influencers. Now then in phase number 3 on the roadmap, they're actually going into community empowerment. So then they will really focus on the community and enriching and providing as much quality for the community as possible. So for example, you'll get some exclusive benefits if you're part of the WSM community. And apart from that, you'll also get early updates, exclusive content, and interactive experience awaiting you. So they're really trying to get that long-term value and community as well around the Wall Street Memes token and team. And in this last phase, they will also go for some bigger exchange listings. So think about the big exchanges like Gate.io, perhaps OKX, and perhaps even Binance. Who knows? It depends very much on the pre-sale and the outcome after that as well. So you can check out the tokenomics right here. As you can see, 50% of the tokens go to marketing. So marketing is really a big part of their strategy and a big part of the project. But apart from that, they're also ensuring that 30% goes to community rewards. And apart from that, some liquidity purposes. Now, to really show that they value community a lot, right now there's also a $50,000 airdrop in WSM tokens. If you actually want to participate in that, what you have to do is you have to fulfill some very easy tasks, as you can see on their website. Again, all the links will be down in the description. Like for example, following them on Twitter, visiting their website and buying WSM tokens. So by doing that, you can actually get up to $50,000 worth of WSM tokens. So that's one way to actually, for little money or at least almost nothing, you can actually get quite a big big rewards and win quite a lot as well. So definitely check it out if you're interested in that. For now, this is my take and my video on the Wall Street Memes pre-sale and their project. If you have any questions, then make sure to check out the links down in the description to actually check out the projects as well. But for now, we've reached the end of this video. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.